Today we're going to get my eyeglasses at Costco. Going to Costco to get our new eyeglasses. I think they called me yesterday, and I wasn't ready. I mean, they called me to pick it up, so I'm going there right now. Okay. So we're here at the Costco parking lot. I hope it locks. So I can read this tiny text now. It's really good.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you need anything, come on back, okay?
Yeah, I'll bring back my other frames.
We'll change out another set.
different occasion, different. So I got my glasses. New glasses today. I want to eat hot dog, but I don't have a patience to line up. Yeah, they have hot dogs here. Oh yeah. Nice. This is a progressive lens, so I can see far and reading. Some computers. Oh, my computer's not ready. Oh, he does this all the time. This guy is so busy all the time doing computer repair. I just can't do it alone myself because it involves tiny motherboard testing, and I don't have that equipment to test the voltage. I'd rather pay somebody $100, $135 to fix it than to do it myself, because I don't want the headache. I want to outsource the headache to other people. Okay. From now maybe I'll go I don't know what to do. I'll do some shopping. Maybe I'll do some shopping. We're gonna go to the mall to eat. I think that's a good idea. We're gonna have lunch. Maybe get some lamb. Although I'm not too hungry. Oh yeah, I just had breakfast. But just wanna go kill time in the mall. We'll see what happens. So this is the Honey Badger Bitcoin machine, and they're selling Bitcoin for if you're buying 3,000 to 30,000, it's gonna be 145,487 per Bitcoin, and the price is difference here. See the price? They're selling it for $153 Canadian per Bitcoin. That's a lot of money for Bitcoin. Honey Badger. This machine has been around for like 10 years, and used to be like you can buy Bitcoin for $5,000, and now it's $145,000 per Bitcoin. So we are here at Seafood City, and we bought some banana cube. I think this is $6, and water is $2. Do you think it's worth it? It's a lot of money for banana cube and water. Not bad actually. I don't know why they have to put so much sugar, folks. Grill City. Crispy Town. So we're here at the they have the massive caldero here. Thinking, should I buy one or what? I don't know if I should buy one. Walis Ting Ting from Baguio City. The black rice here. The black glutinous rice. Are nice. I don't know if I should buy one of these again. So they have the ubi ice cream, halo-halo, nangka. For soap. What the heck is the soap? There used to be soap here. Oh, I have it here now. Casino, rubbing alcohol. We have Happy here. Boy bawang. Garlic. I think these are good. These are good. Happy. We have Ding Dong. Too bad they don't have the soap. I was looking looking for Eskinol. Nice fish. Red herring, nice. Galunggong. Bangus. Salmon. Tuna. Hawaiian onion stick, swordfish. Skyflakes, why not? These are good stuff. Are you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? You need to subscribe, and also if you need Bitcoin, if you need extra income, let me know. I think today is the best time to get in and yeah, grow your Bitcoin every day. Get paid every day. I put my link below how to sign up. And if you signed up, let me know. Message me or comment below if you already signed up. So you know, you never know. I can send you $100. No. You can start $100 or I'll give you $100 if you sign up. Let me know because I don't know you. So sign up first. If you have like $20,000, you want to triple that money, this is the best way of doing it. If you're planning to buy a big house, I think this is the way to do it. Sign up on my link below. Thank you.